Dear student, today's topic is operation on algebraic expressions. Exercise 6a from the reference book R.S. Agarwal. So exercise 6a, question number 4. Find the sum of these four expressions. Four algebraic expressions are given in your book. Find the sum of these four algebraic expressions. So first I arrange all the expressions in vertically. So 5x minus 8y plus 2z, and the next expression the like terms write in same column. 5x minus 2x minus x 3x minus 8y minus 4y. In this way write all the like terms in the same column. Now here it is minus 2z minus z minus 3z and plus 3z 0 plus 2z. Now here all the numerical coefficients are minus 3 plus 6 minus 4 plus 8. So minus 3 plus 6 plus 3 plus 3 minus 4 minus 1 minus 1 minus 8 minus 9 with the little coefficient y. So minus 9y. In this column numerical coefficient of all the variable x is 3 minus 1 minus 2 plus 5 are given. So 3 minus 1 3 minus 1 plus 2 minus 2 0 plus 5x. So it is plus 5x. So sum of these four algebraic expression is 5x minus 9y plus 2z. One more. Question number 8. Here three algebraic expressions are given in your book. Find the sum of these three expressions. So first we arrange it vertically, and at the time of writing vertically I write all the like terms in same column. So here 6 plus 5 11, 11 minus 3 plus 8. Coefficient of y square minus 5 plus 6 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4 plus 5 with the little coefficient y square. So 5y square. Minus 2 minus 8 minus 10 minus 10 minus 7 minus 17 with the little coefficient xy. So minus 17 xy. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 4 7, so 7 x square. So this is the sum of these three algebraic expressions. Question number 13. Subtract this expression from this expression. So first I write 3a minus 4b minus c plus 6 here, and just below this expression write this expression. And at the time of subtraction change the sign of this row. Change the sign of all the term of this second row. So plus, this is minus 9, now it is change sign is plus, so it is now plus 9. Originally it is plus 2c, after changing the sign it is minus 2c. Similarly it is plus 5b and it is minus 2a. Now 6 plus 9 plus 15 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3c minus 4 plus 5, it is plus 1b, and 3 minus 2 1, so 1a. So this is the subtraction value. One more. Question number 15. Subtract this expression from this expression. So first I write this expression here, and just below this expression write the first expression. Now change the sign of the term of the second row. So now it is minus 4 minus 8 plus 2 plus 5 plus 7x plus minus 1 minus 3, it is minus 4x square, and it is plus 3 minus 1. Coefficient of this term of x cube is 3 and coefficient of x cube is minus 1. So 3 minus 1 2 with the little coefficient x cube. So this is the subtraction value. Question number 19. In your book it is given length of the two sides of the rectangle are given, find the perimeter. So let one is length, another is breadth. So length equal to 5x square minus 3y square unit and breadth equal to x square minus 2xy unit. Find the perimeter of this rectangle. So perimeter equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 into length plus breadth. Length means this expression 5x square minus 3y square plus x square minus 2xy. X square plus 2xy. Now 2 into x square plus x square 5x square plus x square 6x square minus 2xy minus 3y square. Now multiply these three terms by 2. So 2 6 are 12x square plus 2 2 are 4 xy minus 2 3 are 6 y square unit. So perimeter of the rectangle equal to 12x square plus 4xy minus 6y square unit. Now exercise 6b from R.S. Agarwal. Question number 1. Find the product of these two binomial. So 5x plus 7 into 3x plus 4 equal to 5x, first term 5x into 3x plus 4 plus 7 into 3x plus 4. Now multiply these two terms 3x plus 4 by 5x and multiply these two terms by 7. So 5 3 are 15x square, x into x square plus 5 4 are 20x plus 7 3 are 21x plus into plus 7 4 are 28. Now these are two like terms. So 15x square plus 20 plus 21 41x plus 28. Next question number 6. 9x plus 5y into 4x plus 3y. Similarly, same process 9x into 4x plus 3y plus 5y into 4x plus 3y. So 9 into 4 36 x into x square, so 36x square plus 9x into 3y equal to 9 3 are 27 x into y xy, so 27xy. Multiply these two terms 4x and 3y by 5y, so 5y into 4x equal to 5 into 4 20, numerical coefficient into numerical coefficient, 5 into 4 20 xy plus into plus plus 5 3 are 15 y square. So these are two like terms, little coefficient xy, so 36 x square plus 27 plus 20 47 with the little coefficient y xy, so 47 xy plus 15 y square. Next question number 11. 2y square minus 5y square into 2x square plus 3y square. Multiply these two binomial. So 2x square into x square plus 3y square minus 5y square into x square plus 3y square. So multiply these two terms by 2x square. So 2x to the power 4 plus 2 3 is 6 x square y square. Minus into plus minus 5 x square y square minus into plus minus 5 3 is 15 y to the power 4 y square into y square y to the power 4. Now these are two like terms, but one is positive, another is negative. So 2x to the power 4 plus 6 minus 5, so plus 1 x square y square and 15 y to the power 4. One more, question number 14. X to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 into x plus 1 by x. So how to find the product of these two binomial? So x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 equal to x to the power minus 4 with the laws of exponent. So x to the power 4 plus x to the power minus 4 into x plus x to the power minus 1. Now x to the power 4 into x plus x to the power minus 1. So this into this term plus x to the power minus 4 into this factor x plus 1 by x to the power minus 1. So x to the power 5, multiply these two terms by x to the power 4. So x to the power 4 into x to the power 5 plus x to the power 4 into x to the power minus 1 by the laws of exponent x to the power 4 minus 1 plus x to the power minus 4 into x with the laws of exponent x to the power minus 4 plus 1. When the base are same, then power must be added, so minus 4 plus 1 plus into plus plus x to the power minus 4 minus 1 with the laws of exponent. equal to x to the power 5 plus x to the power 3 plus x to the power minus 3 minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 plus x to the power minus 5. You may write it is 1 by x to the power 3 plus x to the 1 by x to the power 5. Next, question number 16. Trinomial into binomial. So this term 3x square into 3x plus 5 minus 5 plus 5x into 3x minus 5 minus 9 into 3x minus 5. This first term into this factor plus second term into this factor minus third term into this factor. Now multiply these two terms by 3x square. So 3 3 is 9 x to the power 3 minus 3 5 is 15 x square plus 5 3 is 15 x into x square plus into minus 5 into 5 25 with the little coefficient x minus 9 3 is 27x plus 45 9 into 5 45. These are the two same term with negative sign, so cut this 15x square minus 15x square plus 15x square. So 9x cube, and these are two like term, so minus 25x minus 27x minus 52x plus 45. Next, question number 22. These are the algebraic expression which have 4 terms, and here the binomial. So multiply this expression with this. So x cube into x square minus 3 here, minus 5x square into x square minus 3 here, plus 3x into x square minus 3 plus 1 into x square minus 3. Now multiply these two terms by x cube. So x to the power 5 minus 3x cube minus 5 into x to the power 4 plus 5 3 is 15x square plus 3x cube minus 9x square, 9x, 3 3 is 9 with the little coefficient x plus x square minus 3. Now these are the two same term, minus 3x cube plus 3x cube. So cut this. So x to the power 5 minus 5x to the power 4, 15x square plus x square, 16x square minus 9x minus 3. Next, 24. Question number 24. Multiply this trinomial and trinomial. So in the same process, x square into this factor minus 5x into this factor plus 8 into this factor. This is the second line. Now multiply this 3 term by x square, this 3 term by minus 5x, and multiply these 3 terms by plus 8. So it is x to the power 4 plus 2x cube minus 3x square minus 5 into x cube minus 5x cube minus into minus minus 5 2 is 10x square minus into minus plus 5 3 is 15x plus 8x square, 8 2 is 16x minus 8 3 is 24. Now simplify this. X to the power 4, 2x cube, write all the like terms together, 2x cube and 5x cube here, 5x minus 5x cube. Now 8x square minus 10x square minus 3x square, 15x plus 15x plus 16x minus 24. Next line, x to the power 4, 2x cube minus 5x cube. So 2 minus 5 minus 3x cube, 8x square and minus 10x square minus 3x square, both are negative term, so minus 13x square, 15x plus 16x, both are positive term, so 15 plus 16 31 with the little coefficient x minus 24. Last line, x to the power 4 minus 3x cube plus 8x square minus 13x square, both are like term, so minus 13 plus 8 minus 5x square, 31x minus 24. This is the product of these two trinomial. Thank you.